I took the overnight train in India. There was a guy snoring non-stop. Let's see if you can hear him. From Orcha to Varanasi, it took about 14 hours. The experience was interesting to do it once, but definitely it's not very comfortable. The beds were like bunk beds, and every six people sleep in one area. And the train had about a 2 hour delay, which is not bad in India because I heard so many horrible story about trains had 18-hour delay, 20-hour delay. But luckily we didn't have major delay. We boarded at 9 p.m. and then arrived the next day before noon. The toilet and the train was disaster. One of them was flooding and the other one was just really, really, really bad. But overall, it was an interesting experience since Indian people are very friendly people. So just talking to the locals, it was a nice experience.
Yes, sugar with.
Oh, there's sugar in the mix.
Automatisch.
Take it, ma'am. Welcome. Coffee, ma'am. Coffee. Coffee.
नहीं आराम करोगे जाके बगल से एक डिब्बा छोड़ दे दूसरे डिब्बा